It's easy to complete the digital prescription form for a bridge case with the iTero Element intraoral scanner. To start, I will select New Scan from the scanner home screen. I will complete all the required information in the prescription, such as the patient's first and last name, case type, due date, and the lab the case will be sent to. Next, I will choose the first unit for the bridge from the tooth chart and select Bridge from the list. Then I will define the span of the bridge in the drop-down menu at the top of the bridge screen and define each unit in the bridge, completing all the required information highlighted by the red asterisks. For teeth in the span of the bridge, I can choose the Removed from Bridge option. This can be used to provide information for the lab in cases where that tooth is missing and will not be included in the bridge. If it's appropriate, I can copy the attributes of one unit in the bridge to another unit within the bridge. When I'm finished, I'm ready to begin scanning.